How to fix Hinge not working on Android. So if your Hinge application is not working on your Android phone, there could be a couple of reasons. The first is you want to make sure it is not the issue with your internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Once you've done that, long press on the Hinge app icon, then tap on the eye icon, which will take you to the app information page. Now from there, you can simply scroll down and tap on storage, then tap on the clear cache button, and you can also try to clear the data if you want to. After that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, and in the search bar, search for the Hinge app. Check if the app has an update, and if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.